The comet C-2023-A3, also known as Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, is set to pass through the inner solar system in late 2024. Its orbit is highly elliptical and inclined, which makes it an intriguing visitor. Here's a breakdown of the comet's orbital characteristics. Highly elliptical orbit. C-2023-A3 is on a long period orbit, meaning it originates from far out in the solar system, likely from the Oort Cloud. Its orbit is highly elliptical, which means the comet spends the majority of its time far from the Sun, only occasionally entering the inner solar system. The orbit will bring the comet closest to the Sun, known as perihelion, on September 27, 2024, when it will be 0.391 AU from the Sun, about 58.5 million kilometers. Its closest approach to Earth will be on October 12, 2024, when it will be about 0.47 AU, around 70 million kilometers from Earth. Inclined orbit. The comet's orbit is highly inclined, meaning that it comes in at a steep angle relative to the ecliptic plane, where most of the planets orbit. Specifically, C-2023-A3 has an inclination of 139 degrees, which means it is almost retrograde, traveling in the opposite direction of most planets' orbits. This kind of inclination often leads to spectacular appearances because the comet can approach the Sun from above or below the usual plane of planetary motion. Approaching the inner solar system, the comet will make its closest approach to the Sun on September 27, 2024, at perihelion. After perihelion, it will become visible in the evening sky, likely reaching its peak brightness in early to mid-October 2024. At that point, predictions suggest it could reach a magnitude of -1.2, making it potentially visible to the naked eye. There is some speculation that C-2023-A3 could disintegrate as it approaches perihelion due to the intense heat and gravitational forces near the Sun. However, as of now, the comet appears intact and could offer a bright display if it survives. In summary, C-2023-A3, Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, will have a highly elliptical and inclined orbit, coming in close to both the Sun and Earth in late 2024. If it survives perihelion, it could become one of the brightest comets in recent memory, with a potentially spectacular display in the skies.